Model, 2021 Citroen Relay 35 Heavy L3H2 BlueHDi 140 Enterprise Noisy Engine. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 72,403. MOT, the 28th of January 2025. Engine, 2179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, full service history, parking sensors, air con, electric windows, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £11,095 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0